Hey guys, what's up? I'm coming on here because I kind of collaborated with Marie Callender with their pies that they have, their frozen pies. They are amazing. They contacted me and they said, hey, we have this cool like recycling idea to take the pies and turn them into shakes. It's kind of like a really good treat, and I was like, that sounds interesting. So they sent me some coupons so I could go get some pies. So the pies were free in exchange for me to just kind of try it out, test it out, see how it was, and share it with you guys. So that's what I'm doing. They have several recipes on their website, so I'll leave a link in the description box below that you can check out. And Greg and I decided for the first shake that we would try to test out the chocolatey peanut butter, because that sounds amazing. So we did that. And basically we took 2 different pies and we made a shake with them. So there's the chocolate satin pie, and then there's also a peanut butter cream pie, which is so good. As soon as you open it, you smell it and it's just like heaven. So they're frozen pies. You take them out, you can put them in your fridge for about 2.5 hours. They thaw out enough, you can slice them. And then we just took the slices, messy slices, and we put them in the blender along with some milk. And the amount of milk that you use is really going to be up to you, because it depends on how you personally like your shakes, if you like them thicker or thinner. So once we blended everything together, we topped it with some whipped cream that we had in the fridge. Okay. The pies were already garnished with little chocolate pieces, so we garnished it with the chocolate pieces. We also added peanuts to it, and for my special touch, I had to add a cherry on top, so we did that. It was amazing. It was so good. I was really impressed. I can't wait to try some more of the recipes that they have, and also maybe making some adult version with, you know, a little bit of alcohol in it. We'll see. But I will definitely kind of share with you guys as we go through that. But I wanted to let you know that this first shake that we tried was out of this world. It was amazing. Well, first impression.
I'm hooked.
Oh no, is it good? You like?
It's chocolate and peanut butter in every,
A new favorite?
The cookie crust. Is like cake. And it's really firm. It's good.
A good way to recycle those leftovers.
I wouldn't have leftovers. If I did, that's good.
Okay, so now's my moment of truth. Oh, it's very peanut buttery, which is really good. I like it. This is totally doable. So easy. You just kind of throw what you have together, and we've had pretty much everything on hand, so this is pretty awesome. So I would suggest going out, getting Marie Callender pies if you haven't already, and give this a try too, because this is a really cool snack, especially for kids. Kids would love this stuff, although I love it too, but legit, this is where it's at. Greg and I have never actually had any of the Marie Callender desserts, the pies, so this was completely new to us, and I'm like, oh my god, it's really, really good. So the pie itself is good, and then to kind of add to it to make the shake was like, psh, what? I know it's something that Tyler would love, so when our grandson comes over, we'll give that to him. If you have any kids in the home and, you know, maybe they're not into the whole pie thing, everybody loves milkshakes. Hello. They're, like I said, they're good. Really, I'm going to tell you guys, you should really check your grocery store and see what different flavors they have, because I was really shocked. I had no idea that they had all those flavors, and now Greg and I are going to be on a mission to try them all, because this is so bad. It's so good, it's bad. It really was. So you guys have to try to, I'm telling you. And it was so easy. It was simple. Like, you have pie and then you kind of get tired of the pie. I mean, I don't know. Do people get tired of pie? I don't know. And then you can like switch over to the milkshake. I'm I'm a milkshake girl, although I like pie too, but you know, milkshake's always a good thing. Never say no to milkshakes. Alright guys, so that's it. I'm going to end this here. I'm totally rambling. Let me know what you guys think. Did that look good? Are you guys going to try it? You have to let me know. See you in the next video. Oh, I bought some new stuff for the gym. So we've got more gym equipment in the basements. I have to start using it. And I've got so many goals for next year.